What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I'm going to be presenting to you a very interesting website I believe a lot of people might be interested in. So it's called Side Hustle Stack, and basically it's a website which lists some very interesting idea of how you can earn some extra income. So from the name Side Hustle Stack, you already understand that it talks about side hustles that you can do. And so what is interesting about this website is that it just gives you ideas, and the ideas it gives you are very logical, very interesting, and there are things that can work for you depending on your sector of of expertise. And so it's called Side Hustle Stack. You can find it at sidehustlestack.co, and you can see the interface is presented in this way. And so basically you just have a bunch of cards with the different ideas you can try out. You have some categorizations here: work anywhere. It will filter all the jobs you can do as a freelancer wherever in the world. You can filter through low requirements gigs, or you can filter through build a business, or even simply just gig work. And so going with gig work, for example, is going to list to you the different websites which pay people to do some gigs. You have Fiverr, you have Upwork that I'm already able to recognize here, and you have a whole bunch of other ones as well. So it basically just gives you like just a simple brief explanation of what it does, right? The description, the requirements for this, and maybe the pricing that you can expect to have with this. And I like just the simplicity of the website, right? It doesn't try to do a lot of things or explain a lot of things. It just goes straight to the point, like this is what you do, or this is how you're going to earn. So you can go ahead and check it out and find maybe some ideas here. For example, if you're looking for gig work, you see there are all these options you might have not been aware about. And it's not just about remote jobs, or it's not just about online jobs. They equally give ideas about things you can do like in real life. Like for example, you can apply to become a driver on Lyft and drive local passengers to their desired destinations. Those things as simple as that. This is another one: take pictures and answer simple questions while grocery shopping. Each completed task pays $5 with same day cash out. So if you go to this website Pickle, you can have that option as well. So there are a lot of interesting ideas that you can find out here. And for example, if you go to the category of work anywhere, you have these options of these websites which allow remote work and working basically from anywhere in the world. So basically you would have maybe known just the most popular ones, but with these you have really a wide array of information where you can really see how it works. For example, how can you make money on Skillshare? Offer online learning courses for creative fields on Skillshare and get paid to teach what you already know. Things like that. VIP Kit, Anchor, Brushwork. I mean, there are so many ideas out there. We can't really go through all of them in this video, but definitely check it out at sidehustlestack.co, and I'm pretty sure you might find something interesting that you had not thought about doing. Again, keep in mind that it's not just remote jobs, or it's not just freelance work, but basically ideas even for real life businesses or jobs that you can do and earn some extra income. So check it out and let me know if you find something interesting. Thanks.